Hey fitness fans, welcome back to Triplezon. In today's video, we're exploring the best music boxing machine for your home gym. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the TG Music Boxing Machine. Let's get started. Product feature. Choose from 9 diverse workout modes and 9 adjustable speed levels, making it perfect for everyone from beginners and kids to professional athletes. The built-in LED display keeps track of your hits, helping you monitor your progress and challenge your personal best during every session. Sync your favorite playlist via Bluetooth to enjoy high-quality sound through built-in speakers, creating a fully immersive rhythm-based workout. Improve your hand-eye coordination and reaction time by following the dynamic lighting targets that signal where and when to punch. Crafted from high elastic foam, the punching surface provides excellent shock absorption to protect your hands while ensuring a strong rebound. The sleek, wall-mounted design is easy to install using Velcro or double-sided tape, saving precious floor space in your home or office. Easily customize the mounting height to suit users of all sizes, and use the included gloves or your own pair for immediate training. Pros. This machine truly makes working out feel like a game rather than a chore. It's a wonderful way to relieve stress after a long day while building your stamina. We love how it brings the family together, encouraging kids to stay active in a fun way. Plus, the shock-absorbing foam is incredibly gentle on your joints, ensuring you can train safely and comfortably every single day. Cons. Since it relies on adhesive or Velcro for mounting, you'll want to ensure your wall surface is smooth and clean for the best grip. While the speakers are great for home use, they might not replace a dedicated high-end sound system if you're looking for extreme bass during your heaviest training sessions. Final thoughts. Imagine coming home and letting all your frustrations melt away to the beat of your favorite song. This isn't just a piece of equipment. It's a boost of confidence and a daily spark of joy for your wellness journey. You deserve a workout that makes you smile and feel powerful. Investing in your health has never felt this exciting or accessible, right from the comfort of your living room. Ready to transform your home workouts into a dance party? Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Triplezon and like this video for more great finds. See you next time.